These are some of my favorite fuse blocks and distro bars and speaker terminal cups from this week. We got the blue on blue. We got some black with red insert. We got this cool little mini ANL fuse block, black with a neon yellow trim piece in the middle. It looks pretty cool the way it is, but wait till you see what happens when we hit it with the black light.
Go ahead.
Look at this. Ugh. Stunning. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Don't forget, these have adapters that can take all the way up to 1/0 cable. Sold separately, of course. Woo-wee. We got the blue mirror over black base plate. Look at that. We got some black base plate with mirrored inserts. We got one of my favorites, black base plate with matte black insert. Of course, we still got the gloss. That's an octo block right there. We got an XTBR1, one of my favorite, one of our best terminal cups that we make. This one's in all copper. You can see you got plenty of spots to land your speaker wires on the inside for multiple subs. We got some more cool stuff over here. We got a white with green insert, blue with white insert. We got the world famous QR1 Neo quick release terminal cup. Check this thing out right here. This is actually transparent green over white base plate. We got the aluminum, we got the stainless steel parts, we got the white acorn nuts. Yeah, look at this thing right here. If you've seen this thing in action, you know what's up. Got plenty of terminals on the back. Quick release in the front. We got the SMD Ultra series. Now these ones are exactly what they're named, Ultra. You got 2 set pins for each wire. So you could damn near hang a car from these things and that wire wouldn't pull out. We got them in every single color that every other fuse block is made out of. Custom standoffs. This is a black with matte black insert. Look at this. We got a yellow octo block with copper parts. I'm not even a big fan of yellow, but man, you add that black trim, that laser cut lid. Looking good. This goes especially hard with the matte black insert as well. Gotta love it. We got the copper half block to match. And of course another little mini A&L fuse block getting ready to go out the door.
Got the mini.
We really appreciate all the orders. Keep them coming.